Now we are going to solve the first problem in the ninth chapter. It's a lengthy problem. First we have to understand and read the problem carefully. Consider two hydrogen atoms HA and HB in ground state. Assume that hydrogen atom HA is at rest and hydrogen atom HB is moving with the speed, and make head-on collision with the stationary hydrogen atom HA. After the collision, both of them move together. What is the minimum value of kinetic energy of the moving hydrogen atom HB such that any one of the hydrogen atoms reaches the first excitation state? That is the question. In the later part, I will explain the steps one by one. After understanding the problem, we have to draw the diagram. Before collision, HA is at rest and HB moves with a speed of u. After head-on collision, they move together with a common velocity v. That is, HA and HB both are together now. Now HA and HB both are having the common velocity v. According to the law of conservation of momentum, how to write the expression? Momentum of the system before collision is equal to momentum of the system after collision. Here HA, its speed is 0. Therefore mHA into 0 plus mHB, its initial speed is u. Therefore mHA u must be written, which is equal to, both are together. After the collision, both are being together. Therefore mHA plus mHB into common velocity. After that, mHB u is equal to mHA plus mHB into v. Here the masses are same. Mass of the HA and mass of HB both are same. Therefore we can write it as mHA, mHB both are similar, no? So therefore all masses can be cancelled. So after cancelling, you will be getting the expression as u is equal to 2v. Therefrom you are able to get the expression as common velocity v is equal to u by 2. Since it is inelastic collision, there will be a loss in the kinetic energy. That loss of kinetic energy is represented by del Ke. Here the kinetic energy is not conserved. Therefore, how to write the equation? With the help of law of conservation of kinetic energy, we have to write the expression. Half mHA, its initial speed is 0, no? Therefore 0 square. Half mHA 0 square plus half mHB u square, which is equal to half mHA plus mHB into v square plus del Ke. So this equation that is to be written with the help of law of conservation of kinetic energy. Now how to write the next equation? Half mHB u square is equal to half mHA v square plus half mHB v square plus del Ke. Here masses are same. Therefore simply we can write it as mH. Therefore half mH u square is equal to half mH v square plus half mH v square plus del Ke. Now in the previous step already we have found out that u is equal to v by 2. Substitute the value of u in the above equation. Now the equation, that one becomes half mH u square is equal to half mH u divided by 2 whole square plus half mH u divided by whole square plus del Ke. Now half mH u square is equal to, after squaring you will get half mH u square divided by 4 plus half mH u square divided by 4 plus del Ke. After simplification you will get half mH u square is equal to 2 by 2 mH u square divided by 4 plus del Ke. Del Ke will be equal to half mH u square minus 1 by 4 mH u square. Now after subtraction you will get the loss in kinetic energy in the form of expression. Therefore del Ke is equal to 1 by 4 mhu square. This one can be taken as equation number 1. This is the loss in kinetic energy due to excitation of the one of the hydrogen atoms. The ground state, that is n is equal to 1. If the atom is in the ground state, the ground state energy of the hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volt. The energy of the first excited state, that is n is equal to 2, is equal to minus 3.4 electron volt. These are all the values you have already learnt in the previous concepts. Okay. Here we have to calculate the minimum energy required to excite the hydrogen atom from ground state to first excited state. The formula is E2 minus E1 is equal to minus 3.4 minus of minus 13.6 electron volt. After calculation, subtraction, you will get 10.2 electron volt. This is the minimum energy required to excite a hydrogen atom from ground state to first excited state. As per the problem, with the loss in kinetic energy in collision is due to energy used up in exciting one of the atoms. Loss in kinetic energy in collision is equivalent to minimum energy required to excite a hydrogen atom from ground state to first excited state. Loss in kinetic energy is nothing but del Ke. This equation was already derived. Its value is 1 by 4 mhu square, which is equal to E2 minus E1. Already the value was substituted. The answer is 10.2 electron volt. The 10.2 electron volt is equivalent to half mhu square. Half into half of mhu square is equal to 10.2 electron volt. Minimum value of kinetic energy of the moving hydrogen atom Hb is equal to half mhbu square. Therefore 2 into 10.2 electron volt. So the final answer is, after multiplication, you will get 20.4 electron volt. So this is the minimum value of the kinetic energy of the moving hydrogen atom Hb.